Namaskar. Today I am going to start a new topic, numerical based on differentiation. First problem, differentiate the following with respect to x. So the problem number first is x to the power 5. So for differentiation we have to use the formula d by dx x to the power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So for first problem, we have to use d by dx x to the power 5. Here n is equal to 5. So we can write 5 x to the power 5 minus 1. The answer is 5 x to the power 4. Problem number second, 1 upon x cube. So we have to differentiate 1 upon x cube with respect to x. So we will write d by dx 1 upon x cube. So we can write d by dx x to the power minus 3. Here n is minus 3. So again use this formula, we will get minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 1. So it is minus 3 x to the power minus 4. So the final answer is minus 3 x to the power 4. Problem number third. In problem number third, it is root x. So differentiate d by dx. Here x to the power is 1 by 2. So again use the formula d by dx x to the power n x n minus 1. Here n is 1 by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 x 1 by 2 minus 1. So answer is 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. So the final answer is 1 by 2 root x. Problem number fourth. Here we have to differentiate 5x to the power 4 with respect to x. So we have to write d by dx 5x to the power 4. So this is 5. Here n is equal to 4. So we can write 4x 4 minus 1. So it is 20x to the power 3. Next problem is problem number 2. Position of a particle is given by s is equal to 10 t the power 3. Calculate the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Here displacement is given s is equal to 10 t cube. To determine the velocity, we have to differentiate displacement with respect to time. So we can write v is equal to ds by dt. Here d by dt, put the value of s, it is 10 t cube. So differentiate it, 10 3 t square. So the answer is 30 t square. Now we have to determine the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So velocity at t equal to 2 seconds, it is equal to 30, put t equal to 2 square. We will get 30 into 4, it is 120 meter per second. Now next problem number third. Here displacement is given s is equal to 8t square plus 4t plus 5. First calculate velocity at t equal to 2 seconds and second is initial velocity. Here displacement is given s is equal to 8t square plus 4t plus 5. Now for determining velocity, we have to differentiate displacement with respect to time. So we can write ds by dt. d upon dt, put the value of s, it is 8t square plus 4t plus 5. So we can write d by dt 8t square plus d by dt 4t plus d by dt 5. So differentiate it, 8 2 t2 minus 1 plus 4 differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Constant differentiation with respect to time is 0. So we will get 16 t plus 4. So it is the instantaneous velocity. Now we have to determine the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So substitute the value t equal to 2 here. 16 into 2 plus 4. 32 plus 4. The answer is 36 meter per second. This is the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. The next problem, initial velocity. Initial velocity means t equal to 0. So put the value here, t equal to 0. So we will get 16 into 0 plus 4. The final answer is 4 meter per second. Thank you.